Violence continues in Bangladesh a day after Sheikh Hasina quit as Prime Minister and fled her country. Protests are only escalating. Over 100 protesters have been killed in violence across Bangladesh after Hasina's ouster. India Today accessed how the operation was drafted in London, executed in Dhaka by the ISI and China. ISI had Jamaat-e-Islami student wing catch unrest. China fanned and funded Dhaka agitation, and US-based handles amplified the narrative. Sources tell us that Islamist student group Mastermind is behind Hasina's exit. Islami Chhatra Shivir cadre incited university students, brainwashing the students here to hit the streets in protest against Hasina. I'm going to go straight across to my colleague Shivani Sharma, tracking those details very closely at this point in time. She is at the Hindon Air Base where Sheikh Hasina is at this point in time. Shivani, right from the beginning, there have been many speculations on whether Sheikh Hasina is going to be here. In the morning, there were speculations that she's perhaps left and that she would be moving to the UK. But right now, you also reported a while ago on the VIP movement of cars. What do you see around you? What is it that you're picking up from your sources?
Sneha, the VIP cars that had moved inside the Hindon Air Base have already moved out. There was nobody in these cars, but there were security personnel which we cannot see right now. So definitely something is happening. Maybe these are the courtesy meetings and the government doesn't want to go official about it. And we've already heard Dr. S. Jaishankar, the External Affairs Minister in the Parliament right now, and he has confirmed the news that Sheikh Hasina had asked for an emergency landing of her aircraft that India approved. She is in the country, and she will be in the country for the moment until the clearances are not approved for her in a different country where she's seeking asylum. She continues to be in the Hindon Air Base where we are reporting from right now, and there are proper arrangements of her security, her stay. She is in a safe house where she landed in the Hindon Air Base. Meanwhile, there are speculations that arrangements are being made for her for a safe passage wherever she wants to go. But as of now, that approval, that clearance is still awaited, Sneha, and the security arrangements are upped around Hindon. And also, we must mention here how Dr. S. Jaishankar has already mentioned in the House that the security apparatus has been beefed up across the borders, the national capital, and on the eastern front also. In the national capital where Sheikh Hasina is staying is already an air base, a defense air base where the Rudra, where the Garud commandos are defending her, and her movement is not happening right now. She's inside. People might come and meet her, but she'll be here for how long, that cannot be predicted right now because the situation is still fluid. It's emerging. She wants to go and stay in UK with her family members, but as of now, no approvals, no clearances. She's waiting, and till then she will be in India. That has also been confirmed by the defense minister. But that moment which he has said that she'll be in India for the moment, that moment would be how long? We cannot say right now. Okay. It might be a few days, it might be a few hours, and we have to see that how the situation unfolds. But right now she is in Hindon Air Base in the safe house.
All right. So essentially this is an evolving situation is what Shivani is saying. Also remember, the External Affairs Minister spoke about the situation being evolving and that they're watching how things move from here on.